That's a good sound. This is why it's important to celebrate your successes, the small wins and milestones along the way. Wow, that's really nice. As of the 4th of December 2020, as you can see the tree is up, it is December, my portfolio hit a massive milestone for me, £50,000 in value in capital. It's also hit £6,000 in profit, which is 14% across the time I've had it, which is just over a year, which is quite astonishing considering the year that we've just had. I'll be doing a full portfolio review in the next video just to go through every single position that I own, why I'm in it and the profit and how well it's doing and things like that. But I just wanted to jump on quickly and put out a video about celebrating your successes and the milestones, whether they're big or small, whether they're £50,000 portfolio, 10,000. If you just started and you got your first £1,000 invested, don't go and buy yourself a £1,000 bottle of champagne to celebrate, but get yourself something nice to celebrate it. And I wanted to talk about the importance of doing that. Just want to take a minute to say thank you to all the subscribers I've got already on this channel. And if you're not subscribed already, then just get yourself down below, a little red button, press subscribe so you don't miss any future content. You can follow my journey, more portfolio reviews, and watch that grow and how I'm doing it and what I'm buying into as well. And while you're down there, just give the video a little like as well. So there's a few key reasons why I think doing things like this and buying a slightly more expensive bottle of Prosecco or champagne, or treating yourself to some champagne if you don't normally drink it, or buying yourself something nice, or doing something for yourselves at those key milestones with those small successes is so important, because as it keeps you motivated to keep doing what you're doing, it helps you to not resent what you're doing. You don't want to be playing all this spare cash into the stock market or putting time and effort into whatever it is you do and getting to a point and then not doing anything with it. You know, you need to really celebrate those successes, and it will help you not resent what you're doing in the first place. Hopefully it will give you more clarity on the reasons why you're doing what you're doing, and will just help and aid you to get there in the first place. When getting to your next key milestone, if you know that you've got, you know, a little treat in store for yourself when you get there, big or small, it's just going to help you and motivate you to get there. So this is just a slightly more expensive bottle of Prosecco that we would normally drink. It's not a lot at all, but it's the sentiment and the gesture to yourself to spend that little bit more on yourself to celebrate the successes. And I think it's key that you do that, whether it is Prosecco, whether it is you buy yourself something nice, you get some more clothes that you wanted, a pair of boots that you've always wanted, you take yourself away for a day, whatever it might be. I think it's key that you get out and do those things and you celebrate your own successes. Nobody's going to do it for you. Certainly if you're working behind the scenes and nobody knows what you're doing, you're working on your side hustle, you're trying to keep it quiet, nobody's gonna know what you're doing, so nobody's gonna cheer for you. You need to be able to cheer for yourself. So we're gonna spend the evening enjoying this nice Prosecco. The next video will be a portfolio review, the full £50,000 portfolio review, exactly what I'm in, why I'm in it, and reasons behind what I'm doing. We're gonna enjoy this tonight, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later. You look lovely. I got hair in my eye.
Can I be on this side?
Why do you want to be on that side? Cuts of this. Have I got? Can you get that hair out in my way?
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. Should I put some shoes on so I'm taller?
Stand up. You look taller than me anyway.
Do you want to be on it while I pop this?
What do you think?
It's up to you. I'm going to include all this bit in it anyway, like. Hello.
We wish you
Welcome to our YouTube channel and follow our journey.
Trading and stuff.
That's Onion's got me as well. So you're gonna have to be. Oh, in that case, you're gonna have to go get a glass.
Have you got one?
Because you were gonna get yours after. No, it's on the. No, it's on the. It's like it keeps playing up.
Should we get the nice glasses? No.
No.
No. Okay. You over there.
I'll do this bit then.